Hey there YouTube land. Today we're going to do an unboxing video of two products. One is the Sauer P365 and another one is a pocket holster from Recluse holsters. So look forward to doing this and hope you can stick with us. This is Jedi EDC. What we do is we review everyday carry equipment for the gentlemen and ladies in this world in the year 2020. With particular focus on what's going on around us today with the coronavirus and what we can look forward to in the upcoming months. So let's get started. I have not opened this box before. This is the first time for me opening this. This is a true unboxing. And this is again the Sauer P365. Inside we can see the handgun here. This is a polymer frame handgun. Comes in a plastic bag. This gun is comes with a chamber flag already installed. So let me review that. I can remove that. It's got a lot of oil on it. Let's go ahead and close this slide here. Let's see how we do that. There we go. So just so you see, there's no bullet in it. So there we go. So see, this is quite a small handgun here. This fits in the size of my hand right here. You can see pretty well. And the reason that this gun has been selected for an unboxing, especially for every EDC, which stands for everyday carry, is basically because of its lightweight. This gun comes in weighing about 17.8 ounces with an empty mag. It does have a magazine installed right now. This is the 10 round magazine. It also comes with a 10 round flush magazine and a 12 round magazine right here. So that's what comes in the box. So I think for me what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this to start off with, the flush mount, because I think this is going to fit easier in the Recluse holster. So there you go. That's what it looks like. It also comes with instructions here. I believe there's a little sticker that comes with it right there, six hour sticker. And it also comes with a challenge coin. So this is just a little doodad here that comes with. This gun is a particular special edition. NRA comes in the Coyote and tan color here, and it's basically your regular P365 except for the coating. So there, I've got the bag installed there, and that's what it looks like. So let's do this. Let's do a quick comparison against a Glock 19 so you guys can see how this compares in size. Let me move this stuff to the side here. So this is a Glock 19, also a 9mm caliber handgun. And if I put them right next to each other, you can see that the P365 is significantly smaller. The overall length on this P365 is about 5.8 inches, whereas on the Glock 19 it's 7.28. This has a height here of 4.3, and it's 5 inches on the Glock, and a width of approximately 1 inch here, and this one has a width of 1.34 inches. So this gun used to be considered concealed carry, a gun that you would want to carry with you, but it comes in at an impressive 24 ounces with the empty magazine. So it's quite heavy compared to this one, and it's also significantly larger, as you can see. And let's do another comparison. This is my Taurus BP9cc. Oh, by the way, this one holds 10 rounds. The Bursa BP9cc is also a concealed carry handgun. It holds 8 rounds in the magazine. It's also 9mm caliber. Length is 6.35 inches, so it's a little bit longer than the Sauer, which is at 5.8 inches. Height is 4.8 inches. This is the height here. and the height here is 4.3 inches, and this also has about the same width. So if you look at these two guns here side by side, they're about the same width. And just so you will know, these two guns here, this one and the Glock, have been safety checked. So there's no rounds in this this handgun. It's been safety checked, and the same with the other one too. So like I said, this is a concealed carry gun. This is a much smaller one. I think this is going to be the one that I'm going to be using for concealed everyday carry. So let's go to the second unboxing here, and this will be for the holster. And on the holster side, put this here, move the gun out of the way. So this is the first time I've opened this. Let's see if I can open this without having to use a knife. Okay. Oh, that's not going to work. So let's try it this. I probably should have opened this before, but this is a true unboxing here. This is the Recluse perfect pocket holster. And the reason I chose a pocket holster in this case is because I've tried other holsters, other Kydex holsters, and other inside and outside the waistband holsters, and they're just a pain in the butt to use. You have to have a special belt to wear them. You know, they stick into your side or off of your side very obtrusively, and I just think they're very uncomfortable in general. I've also tried a belly band holster, and I'm not too impressed with those either. So as I'm on a little bit of the larger side in weight, I found that it's quite difficult to use those comfortably. So I went with this holster. This is the Recluse pocket holster, and you can see the way this works is, let me see if I can put this in there. It's supposed to fit in there like this, like so, so that if this side is your body, this side is the side that is facing outwards, and the gun is inside, and the trigger is held in place by this little part here. So you just basically reach into your pocket and pull the gun out. So that's how that would work. So we'll give this a shot and see how that works, but I'm feeling quite good about this holster for everyday carry. So this one was about, I'm going to say about $70, and came in about 2 weeks. Going to price here, this gun here cost around $600. So it's quite pricey, but again, it's quite small, and I'm looking forward to carrying this. So there you go. That's the gun for today, the P365 by Sauer, and it's manufactured in the U.S. Again, it's a small gun, small handgun for everyday carry. And if you have any questions, I hope you liked this video. Leave me a comment. And looking forward to doing other videos in the future on other items that would be applicable for today's world that is very different now that we're living in compared to a couple of months ago. So hope you found this interesting, and so long. Bye.